In this video, let me show you how to download and install and set up the Bluesky app account. What you're going to do is actually you're going to go to Google Play Store, and then actually in the search button you're going to search for what they call the Bluesky application. Okay, when you search for it, it'll actually be shown right there. Okay, now that is the Bluesky application. So you tap on the install option, so that the Bluesky application can install. But you can actually try to read all this about this application on your Google Play Store. It's a new social network for people who stay online and up to date and all that stuff. Okay, so tap on install so that it actually gets to be installed within your device. So when it's done downloading, you can actually see it now installing, and then you're actually going to tap the open option right there. So when you tap the open option, this is what is going to be shown on your screen. So you're going to see, since we're new, you're going to tap on the create account. Now you're actually going to be required to put your email, password, and your birth date. Okay, please be sure to do that according to your setup of your account. So enter your email address, enter your password, and enter your birth date, so that you can actually have that sorted. Now when you finish setting up of all those things, you're actually going to be required to tap what they call next. Okay, please select your birthday, select your date and all that. Okay, then you tap confirm. Yes, okay, when you select and tap confirm, then scroll down and see the next option right there. Then you're going to actually be asked to just tap the next option. Then they ask you to choose your username. So you're going to be asked to choose your username. I'm going to go with the Dalba123. If the username is already taken, they will tell you, and then you have to be asked to put another one. Okay, so I'm going to go with the Dalba123, and then after putting that, you're going to actually tap on next. You can actually only contains letters and numbers and hyphens, at least 3 characters. Then you tap on next. Okay, when you tap on next, this is what loads on your screen. Okay, then they'll ask you to complete the challenge. Please be sure to complete the challenge according to what is shown on your screen. Then you tap on next. When you tap on next, it brings you to this, give your profile a face. So I'm actually going to create an avatar instead. So I'm going to go with an avatar with that art, and then with the blue color. Then I tap done, and then you tap continue, and then you're going to be asked what are your interests. So I'm going to basically select my interest so that they know what you're really interested in. I'm going to go with the tech, sports, movies, music, and news. Okay, when you do that, tap continue, then you are ready to go. And then look down below, you can actually tap on let's go. You can actually see it's showing you finalizing. There you go. You have actually been able to download, install, and set up your Bluesky account. This is my Bluesky account. You can see it right now scrolling. Simple as that, right? Please consider subscribing if you actually pick value in this video.